In this video, we will cover the basics of time and space. In this video, we will cover the basics of time and space. We're going to start with time. And on the bottom right of this image, I'm going to give you a little Easter egg from literature class. We are going to discuss two ideas related to time. We're back to literature class again. Our first idea is never. Never means an event will certainly not happen. Never is such a strong word. If string theory and multiple universe theory is correct, never is not truly real. Because with infinite realities, something would have happened in at least one of those realities. Forever stands in contrast to never, because it is our baseline, forever without end, ever expanding. Now we're going to talk about how we measure time in the Western world. Largely, we measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. Every year has 365 and a quarter days. Once every 4 years, February has 29 days instead of 28. That 365.25 means that every year we have an extra 6 hours. So every 4 years, we have an extra day on the 29th of February. Largely, that's how humans measure time. Space is the area all around us. Up, down, left, right, north, south, east, west. Space surrounds us. Outer space is that space outside of our atmosphere. Space is the three-dimensional area around us. We primarily understand space through distance. Distance is the amount of space between two people or objects. Distance can be measured in many different units. Units for measuring small distances are millimeter and centimeter, or inches. These are units for measuring human-sized distances, centimeters and meters, and inches and feet. We measure larger distances with kilometers and miles. A map will usually have these units to scale, which means that on this map, each centimeter or each inch will be equal to a certain number of kilometers or miles. For instance, each inch equals 100 miles. Now we're going to talk about units for measuring huge distances. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. It's basically 5.8, 5.9 trillion miles in a year. That's really far. But don't worry, it gets even bigger. A parsec is 3.26 light years. We use parsecs when we're measuring things that are very, very far away in the distance. And this measurement is only really useful in outer space.